Everyone, welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this SL orders. Okay, so in my previous video I've been shown how you can place the orders. Okay, so there were market orders and limit orders, and I explained how you can take the stuff and can place the orders as per required. Okay, so I'm going to follow the sequence, so it will be very much easy to place my SL orders. Okay, so there are four types of orders are there. Okay, especially market order, limit order, okay, and then stop loss market order, and then stop loss limit orders. Okay, so when we are going with the orders, as if you go with the bracket order or say OCO order, okay, so if you place them, you exactly need to give square up, stop loss and trailing SL, each and everything. And in cover order you have to give this price and trigger price. Okay, so cover up will be there, but in some case what happens, for some brokers they will definitely gonna block for some scripts. Okay, so when you can't proceed with the bracket order or cover order, okay, this limit, stop loss especially are good for especially I must say that limit orders for target and stop loss for placing your SL orders. So that is good, so that is recommended which you can go. Okay, so first of all we'll go with the SLM. Okay, stop loss market, like it is an accurate one which you can go for it and can place the order as per your requirement. Okay, so we'll go for order ID underscore stop loss market order. Okay, so if you follow the sequence, it will be very much easy to place your orders. So it will be allies dot place underscore order. Okay, and in this you have to give whether which type you want to go, whether you want to go for sell, buy. Okay, so this is you can give. So transaction type, now you have to give buy or sell. Okay, so you can choose this the way as buy and this the way you sell. Okay, and next, say suppose if you want to you have to give whether you want to like which exchange and trading symbol which you want to go. Okay, so for exchange and trading symbol which we can take as a static or dynamic, so which will be like this. Okay, and trading symbol I just give whichever I want. Okay, so it will be Tata Motors. Okay, so now I have to say allies dot get underscore instrument by symbol, and here I have to give exchange comma trading symbol. Okay, so here we are good to go, so it is done here. Okay, now next what we have to do is like we have to go with our order type, which we have to say whether it is a stop loss market or stop loss limit. So we'll say order type dot stop loss market. Okay, so this is the format which you have to follow. Okay, and next it will be product type, so I can say whether it is delivery or intraday. So for intraday it will be like this. Okay, and for intraday simple. Okay, so syntax are there, just follow them. So in each and everything first letter will be in a capital. Okay, leaving this allies dot get instrument by symbol. Okay, so now what happens, and after that you can give some trigger price. Okay, so whatever trigger price you want to get in with this thing. So if you are getting with the sell, you definitely want to place below some orders. Now what happens if it is limit order and if the prices is already running, so what it will gonna do is it will take as a market order. So that's the reason you can't place SL order for your SL orders as a limit order. You need to place SL market order itself. Okay, so you can go for these things, and say suppose if it is blocked, you can go for the stop loss limit order, which I will show you. For stop loss market order you have to give trigger price as 0.0, because you don't have, this will be as a none, so just give it as an price 0.0. Okay, so it will be good to go. So you have to give float value. Okay, so you can take it out whichever you want. Okay, so I say suppose if I want to give SL as an 500 rupees or something, so you can give this way. Okay, so here we are good to go, so that's it. Okay, so we gave sell symbol. Okay, one more thing which I need to give is a quantity. Okay, after like getting with the exchange and trading symbol, I need to give the quantity. So whatever you place the order as per SL, you have to give the same quantity. Okay, so if you just place the orders. Okay, so I think order is placed, and even I can like check the order ID of this thing as well. Okay, whether it is like so market hours is not available right now since I am placing, so we will get. Okay, so now what happens, if you want to get with the order ID, say if you want message, if you want to like check with the message, so I think message is okay. Okay, but main important thing is our order ID. So it will be like this: IMS underscore order underscore ID. So this is how we'll get the order ID. Okay, so this is which you can utilize to get the history. Got this stop loss market order. Okay, so I think it is completed, which I can show you. Okay, so okay, stop loss market order. So this is SLM, we can say. Okay, 500 rupees trigger price, and since we are not in market hours, so that's the reason it is not executed. Otherwise it will get into pending orders. Okay, and whenever the prices reaches 500 rupees, it will get filling order trigger. Okay, as I suppose if you want to go with say somewhere like if it is like blocked. Okay, so what are you gonna do is like if the market order is blocked, so all you have to do is like you have to say the price as well. Okay, so you can like give it the same price whichever you want. Okay, there is already a window is there which you can go, so you can check in front end itself. Okay, so I think you can give the price and trigger price. So what you're gonna do is like you are checking with some LTP, so at the same time you can like calculate with that in a dynamic way and can place the price and trigger price same, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it will like take that one. So instead of stop loss market, just give it limit, and whatever intraday, whether it is intraday delivery, you can give it, and everything will be the same. So if you want to like place the sell order, you can just go with the buy as in stop loss limit. So this is how you can go. So you can like if say suppose you bought somewhere, and you want to like place as for sell, vice versa, if you want to place, you can go for these things. Okay, so this is how you can go. Okay, so I must say that you can try, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is where you reach, so I'm going to check once again. Order underscore ID underscore SLM. Okay, so as we can see, so it was buy. Okay, so we can check trigger and one quantity. Okay, and so this is how you will go. Okay, so it is like SL with the price and trigger price. Okay, yeah, so choose as per your requirement which is you feel best, and if it is blocked, go as per the requirement. Okay, so if you got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.